Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to rotate an object, right? How to rotate an object. So the first thing to rotate an object is to type RO followed by the enter key. Next, the command bar will ask you to, you'll see rotate here, followed by select object or objects to be rotated. You would then use your mouse to adjust your cross here over that object. You would then either left click here, left click here, drag left click here to create a box around the object. This object will then turns blue. Once this object turns blue, this will change from select object. No, yes, it will turn blue and it will still ask you to select objects. You would then click or press the enter key or the space bar. Once you have done that, the command bar will then change. The command bar at this time will ask you to specify the base point. Yeah, the base point here is the point where you want this object to pivot. See, for example, if you want this object to rotate at this point, to pivot at this point, it will, if you choose here as a base point, the object will pivot here. If you choose here as a base point, the object will pivot at this point. If you choose here as the base point, the object will pivot in the middle. Alright? It is also important to know that objects rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay? Very important to note. So, in choosing my base point, there is I like to turn on my orthogonal mode in most cases. So, what that does, that allows us to rotate from 0 to 90. As in most cases, I pretty much need to flip my object by either 90 degree or 180 per se. So 90 plus 90, which is good. But in most cases, for building drawing, you want to flip the object from horizontal to vertical, especially when you're inserting windows and or doors, right? Next thing to know, once you have selected the object, once you have specified the base point, the command bar will again change. So this section here, the command bar, it's very, very important. You must read the command bar with every click. Once that command bar changes and it says select angle to rotate, you can then enter if 90 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 120 degrees. If you don't, it will give you the option to rotate the object manually. Alright? But if you wish to rotate this at 90 degrees, you simply type 90, enter. And again, guys, you don't need to bring the crosshair down into the command bar to type. Anything you type in AutoCAD automatically goes into the command bar. Alright? Note to be taken. Once you have done that, you just click enter and this is done. Pretty simple. So again, to rotate, type RO, enter. Then left click on the object that you wish to rotate or create a window around it. When it turns blue, read the command bar. If it says, it will say select object even though this object turns blue. You must go ahead and click the and press the enter key or press the space bar. Once you have done that, the command bar will change again. It will then say specify the base point. The base point is where you want the object to rotate at. Okay, so you will determine that. Once you have selected a base point, the command bar will change again. It will say specify the angle that you wish to rotate the object. And of course, angles are measured in anti-clockwise direction. If you wish to rotate this object 90 degrees, you will type 90, enter, and it's done. Okay guys, that's all there is for rotation. In my next video, I'll show you how to rotate slash copy, or to rotate an object and still maintain the original shape. Next video, look out for it.